Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 27. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where teachers make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is this anime bullet journal. So as usual, I went to eRank. So eRank is one of my favorite tools that I use to do both print on demand and KDP research. So in this case, I'm doing KDP research, and I found a niche here that said anime bullet journal. So I just want to quickly show it to you right here. So the reason why I like using eRank is because eRank shows us what is trending. For example, if you went into fantasy journal, not many people are searching for that right now. But if you went into animal journal, you might get some sales if your cover and book is great, and maybe if you run some ads, because that's what people are definitely searching for right now. So, although I don't get any commissions from eRank by promoting them, I'm just telling you about them because I think it's a great tool that everyone can have. It's very affordable, $5.99. Yeah, for the basic plan. Then if you want to go pro, I think it's 10 or 9.99, something like that. Yeah, so I'm using the basic plan and it gives me all this great information that I can use to be strategic in making money online. So for this case, we're going to go with anime bullet journal. So I already did some research on Amazon and it's 567 results. So the reason why I like niching down, which is what I greatly advise that you guys do, because right here bullet journals is something which is not new. Many people have bullet journals, but anime bullet journal is what people are really searching for right now. So I took a look on Amazon and I didn't see many results for Amazon KDP, and which is a great sign that many people that can get many sales if we get into this niche. So this one right here is looks like an anime, and this one is actually dot grid notebook, and not bad, 665. This one right here is definitely anime, and it says hey girl, empowering journal for girls. This one is for girls. So I went to Creative Fabrica to find if there are interiors that we can use, and um, I found many bullet journals. And what you have to do is just grab a bullet journal from here and make the cover, because it's the niche is a regular bullet journal, but if you can edit your journal to be anime, like right here, this one is a cat journal and you have some paws here, cat paws, and this one is a mandala journals and you have some mandala. So if it's possible that you can make your bullet journals themed in this way, it will be great. And in this case, it's anime. If you can add some animes, that will be awesome. But if you can't, that's not a problem. You can just use the regular bullet journals. Like you can just use the regular bullet journals, then you use your cover to be anime. Any anime that you think people are searching for, that's what you're gonna go with. Because it doesn't specify what kind of animes people are looking for. It just says anime bullet journal. So I'm not really sure what anime is trending. I'm not an anime person, so I'm sure that maybe the anime lovers will know exactly what people are searching for. So that's it for niche number one. Niche number two, before we go into niche number two, I just want to quickly show you the keywords you can use. There are not many, just anime bullet journal and anime bulletin journal. I'm not sure why this is here. Bulletin. Alright, bulletin board. Actually, it says bulletin board. So that's the keyword that I can use, not many keywords. And we're going to go to niche number two, which is digital travel journal. So I saw this niche right here. It is actually doing quite well. So many people want this digital travel journal. So I did some search on Amazon to find out what books are doing well, what books we can create. And I found books like this. So I was a little bit confused if this is what people are actually searching for, which is these journals with locks because it's kind of digital, or is it a regular journal that is named digital journal? So, guys, please let me know in the comment section below which is it. Is it journals like this which have locks, which they call digital journal? Because I even read the titles and descriptions. I didn't see anything there related to it being digital. These books right here, I didn't see anything digital journal, but they popped up, so I was kind of confused. And I'm also confused if it's a regular journal, which they call digital journal. So, guys, let me know in the comment section below. But it's trendy right now, as you can see. So, I did a search on Creative Fabrica to find what a digital journal can use, and I didn't find anything. I didn't find anything on Creative Fabrica. So, but I found this interior right here that said travel journal logbook, which is a regular travel journal logbook, but it's not a digital travel journal. So I found this one. The reason why this caught my attention is because it had a cover. It says free KDP cover template. So I was like, many people don't know how to make covers themselves. And the fun thing is that you can edit it 100% editable. So I was like, wow, this is actually going to be helpful to people who don't know how to create their own covers. All you can do is just edit it. So this is what caught my attention, and that's why I um, took a look at this journal. So niche, before we go to the next niche, digital travel journal. This is what we're looking at right here. It's I'll just quickly do a scroll for you, so you can see what keywords you can use if you decide to get into this niche. All right, so that's the keywords. Moving to niche number 3 is Pride Journal. So this one, I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Pride Journal. Oh, so actually Pride Month was June 1st to June 30th. So apparently it's still doing very well. June 1st to June 30th. Apparently people are still searching for it in spite of the fact that June month is past. So let me scroll down to it. Now right here. So look at this. It was flat for a very long time. Nobody was searching for it. Then boom, out of nowhere, this long bar popped up, blue for that matter, and many people have been searching for it. Mainly because last month was Pride Month, but it hasn't slowed down, which means that we can still get into this niche in spite of the fact that Pride Month was just finished June 30th, and I found um, several journals on Amazon, and this one right here. In short, the first books, as you can see, this is sponsored. The first 4 or 3 books are doing quite well. This one too, all of them have reviews and have been selling the whole of this month. And so this is inspiration for us. As you can see, this one is 17 reviews. This is inspiration for us that it's just a pride journal, and we can whip it up and upload it to Amazon in a matter of minutes because look at this interior that I found for you on Creative Fabrica, and look at this. Over 18 people want this, and it's available in PDF file as well as a document file, and it's a hard journal, and you can just quickly grab this journal and upload it to KDP and promote it. As you can see, this one is promoted, that's why it's making sales like this. And you can see the top books that are doing quite well on Amazon, and create yours to be similar. This one says be proud of who you are. Definitely you have to make a book which has the pride flag. As you can see, it's Pride Month, and so it's really imperative that you make something rainbowy or colorful. As you can see, these other books that are doing quite well. Wow. These other ones, the low content ones, and that's why if a book is making many sales, you have to definitely take a look at it, take a look at the interior, see why the book is making sales. Like this one right here, Obviously, it's sponsored, so it's being shoved into people's faces. And when they type in Pride book, and so people purchase it. But you see, this one is a regular journal that we all make. This journal belongs to. Then you have the empty pages, and that people can fill. But 8 ratings and has a 5 out of 5. So I mean, me and you can make this book. We all can make this book. Being priced at 799. If this book is 106, 120 pages, there you go. I was just about saying that if it's 120 pages, that means you should be making approximately $3 royalty in every sale or more. So there you have it, guys. That's it for the Pride Journal. And right here for the keywords Pride Journal. The keywords, you can use very small keywords. The next thing we need to do is to search for interior, which I already showed you. So that is it for the third niche. The fourth niche is 1000 page journal. So this keyword here shocked me. I didn't know that people were actually searching for typing in 1000 page journal. So if this is how specific people are, that means all we need to do is to create a 1000 page journal. So I went over to bookbolt, which is also one of the softwares that I recommend that you get. And all right, so here is bookbolt, which is one of the softwares or tools that I use and also recommend that you get. But for interior this interior designer tool is very free. Everyone has access to it. So just come to the bookbolt website and go to resources, go to interior wizard, go down here, click interior wizard, and your you land in the interior wizard too. So it doesn't matter the interior that you want, you can click here, but I chose 6x9, then 1000 page count, and I click download, and I was able to come to a screen like this that has 1000 pages, which was just the regular empty pages. It wasn't lined. And if you want a lined one, just when you see it blue like this, that means that this is what you have selected. Maybe if you want a lined book like this one, just go choose the interior that you want. I'm gonna still choose 6x9 1000 page, click download, and you bring it to another page like this that has the 1000 pages, and boom, you're ready to upload it. So that's how it's easy to get an interior for this niche. So as you can see, let me take you down to where you see 1000 pages right here, 1000 page journal. So many people are searching for it. It was dead for a long time, then boom, out of nowhere, many people want this. And let's take a look on Amazon and see the results. So you can see when you niche down like this, it's not just a regular journal, but they're specifying that they want a 1000 page journal, and it's just 565 results on Amazon. Let's go do a quick scroll and see if how many people want this. So just by glancing at it, I don't see many. Let's see, does this looks like KDP right here? I'm not sure. So let's click on it and see if this is KDP. Oh guys, this looks like KDP. It looks like something we can do, which like I told you is just regular interior like this one right here that we generated. So it's nothing of a big deal, which is something every one of us can create, and they're pricing it at $18.99. So I found just one result. As you guys can see, there are not many of them, and it begs the question: how many people um, does Amazon accept these 1000 pages? So let me know in the comment section below if you think Amazon accepts 1000 pages. But there, as you can see, there are not many pages. 1000 KDP pages, there are not many. So this is definitely a niche that we all should get into um, as soon as possible. So I just showed you how you can get the interior. Let's take a look at the keywords and see what we can get from this. So 1000 page journal. Okay, so 1000 page notebook and all the like. So there you have it for the keywords. So our fifth niche for the day is Cornell notebooks. So I did a search for on eRank and I found this Cornell notebooks. And look at this, guys. It's been dead for a while, and boom, out of nowhere, so many people are searching for it. It's actually trending. And I did some search on Creative Fabrica and I found this host of Cornell notebooks. And the first one I chose is this one right here. And this one is available as 8.5 by 11 inches. It's available as 120 pages, 110, and 100, depending on how you want it. And it's also available as JPEG, PNG, PDF, and editable PowerPoint files if you want to edit it. So basically, Cornell notebooks are regular notebooks which have lines, but the difference is that it has this space, right? The space in the end where you can write the notes. So that's what I'm thinking is different between regular notebooks and corner notebooks. So apparently many people want this, and as you can see, it's being priced at 248. And just by the way, if you're interested in getting Creative Fabrica, there's a link down in the description below. And also, if you're interested in getting bookbolt, there's a link down in the description below too, and you can click it and get a discount by using the code make money online, all lowercase letters. So back to corner notebooks, and so many people have added to favorite, about 12, and so there are some reviews. People have already gotten it and left some reviews. So this one wasn't too far, just June the 5th, and I love it. March 31st, yeah. So people are loving this interior, guys, and it has so many options here. 120 pages, 110, 100, 8.5 inches, and you can also edit it. So for the keywords for Cornell notebooks, I'll just quickly do a scroll for you so you can know exactly what keywords to use that are going to be beneficial. And I'm using Publisher Rocket, and if you're interested in learning more about Publisher Rocket, there's also a link down in the description below. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and just before we go, I would really recommend that you get a tool like eRank. Is just $5.99 per month. Here you can easily get the niches that are trending. Not only KDP niches, you can also do print on demand niches if you're into print on demand, because I just did a search of Pride book and so many things popped up which actually blew my mind. So something like Pride tank top, I wouldn't have expected that it would be here, because I searched for Pride notebook. Let me take you up so you can see what I'm talking about. I searched for Pride notebook, and boom, all of a sudden, you see, the first words had to do with notebook and notebook, but all of a sudden I saw Pride tank top. So I was like, wow, this actually gives me an idea of the kind of print on demand products I should be creating, because not only can I create books, but I can also create print on demand clothing. As you can see right here, print on demand clothing has been skyrocketing. So this is what I use eRank for, both for KDP and print on demand niche research. So I'm just letting you know, if you're also into print on demand, this is another way that you can use to do your print on demand or KDP niche research. So I just wanted to put it out there for you if you were looking for ways to get your niches. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.